According to marine scientists, there is no ecosystem on Earth more vulnerable to global warming than coral reefs. They say that higher levels of CO2 are causing the oceans to become more acidic, and that corals like the once abundant elkhorn in the Caribbean are facing an almost impossible struggle for survival. The elkhorn is already listed as critically endangered, and its numbers have fallen dramatically since the early 1980s. Marine biologist Chris Langdon says human beings are largely to blame.
Since the start of the Industrial Revolution, we've released tremendous amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere, and about 25% of that is taken up by the ocean each year. And that's a very good thing, because global warming would be much worse today if that wasn't happening. But the downside is, as the oceans take up CO2, it makes it more acidic. And as the oceans become more acidic, it puts certain organisms under stress.
The elkhorn reproduce by broadcast spawning, releasing millions of eggs and sperm into the water. The researchers say that decreased pH levels are disturbing this process. The coral also reproduce asexually by branching off. But coral bleaching, another product of global warming, is killing them faster than they're able to reproduce. Marine biologist Rebecca Albright says that if the corals do manage to reproduce, their growth is slowed dramatically by acidification.
We are affecting the rate of the chemistry of the oceans at a rate that has been unprecedented. It's happening on the order of hundreds of years as opposed to thousands of years, which has happened in the past. And so the likelihood of these organisms being able to adapt is very small.
Acidification and bleaching are just two of the blights attacking coral reefs throughout the world. Researchers say pollution, overfishing, and disease are contributing to the probable extinction of many species of coral in the near future.
Because we're losing corals at an unprecedented rate, we need to be replacing them at that rate. And this study indicates that ocean acidification is interfering with that ability.
Albright says the only way to restore the ocean's chemical balance is to replace carbon-based fuels with renewable energy sources, although she admits that's unlikely to happen anytime soon. Ben Gruber, Reuters.